Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial provided by Blue Swift Axles. My name is Carson Holt, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grease your spindles and hubs on your trailer. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first step in this process is going to be to jack up your trailer, get your wheels in the air so you can spin them while you're greasing them. Once you've got your wheel up in the air and you can free spin it like this, we can start the greasing process. Now, the first step is going to be to take out this little center rubber piece. That way you can access your grease insert. Once you've done that, you can take your grease gun and hook the fitting onto the grease insert. Now I know that I'm using an electric grease gun, which some people can say leads to blowing out of the back seal in the hub, but what we really like about these Milwaukee ones is you can actually turn down the rate of speed at which they pump grease, and that keeps your seal from blowing out. It doesn't pump fast enough to where that will lead to happening. Now, once you start pumping, slowly pump and spin the tire as you do so. You'll start to see the old grease come out. Once you start seeing new grease come out, you're good to go. All that old grease has been replaced with the new grease inside of your hub. Wipe off any excess grease. And pop your rubber cap back in. Lower your trailer and you're good to go. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video and you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.